Equals, is your Lenovo ThinkBook 14 not turning on? We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This problem usually occurs because of a failing battery or internal connection issues. Our team will check the battery and other components to identify what's causing the problem, and will help get it back to normal. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.